Barb Stackhouse here. Are you ready for the Profit First for Dentists self-assessment? Well, with Profit First for Dentists, once you commit to this self-assessment and take the action to complete it, you are also opening up yourself to the truth of your financial situation. Are you ready? This assessment is going to help you see how much cash came into your business and how much cash went out for a certain time period, typically the prior 12 months. Now, the first step is to gather all the data that you are going to need to complete the assessment. This is a very important step because if you just dive into the assessment and you have to keep stopping to go gather data, you're going to get frustrated and give up. Besides, it will take a lot longer to accomplish the task. So do gather the data. Do it now. Here's what you're going to need to gather. Want a profit and loss statement for the previous calendar year, the balance sheet for that same time period, tax returns for the same year, payroll reports for the same year, all business loan statements for that year, and business credit card statements for that same year. Now to do some math. You're going to add up all the loan payments for the calendar year that you are using and write down that number. Next, make sure all of your credit card charges were entered into your QuickBooks or whatever other accounting software, and make sure that they were all reconciled just like a bank account. And if you pay yourself as the dentist via payroll, review the payroll report for your earnings and write down your net pay plus any benefits that the company paid on your behalf. This is your take-home pay total. Then write down the total taxes that were withheld from your paycheck for the year. Write down the total taxes the company paid on your behalf for that calendar year. Check all the other documents and accounts for a total of any owner draws or distributions that you may have took during that time period. And also check for any quarterly tax deposits you made or taxes maybe that were due on your tax return that you paid. Now breathe. Yes, take a deep breath. Next week, I'm going to share with you what to do with all of these numbers and how to complete your self-assessment. You don't want to miss next week's video and the blog post. Congratulate yourself for getting this far in the process. Look forward to talking to you next week. Barb Stackhouse here, Profit First for Dentists.